For this art project, students will be creating animals with leaves that they created themselves from observing in the nature world. To start this project, you will start with just taking a nice walk outside to observe Mother Nature. The material you'll need are white construction paper, some color construction paper. I have color pencils, scissors, and either glue or double-sided tape, and I have double-sided tape here. Okay, and then after coming back inside from just taking a walk from outside, student will then draw a leaf that they see. They will draw texture, shape, size, and color that they see from the leaf. And then you will cut out the leaf like this. Okay, and after you finish cutting out all the leaf, you're gonna start just arranging the leaf like just however you want and trying to create an animal out of it. You can use another sheet of construction paper or color construction piece of paper. I'm gonna use the color blue, and just like I said, I'm just gonna arrange the leaf and see what I can create. I'm thinking I'm gonna make an owl out. So I already put double-sided tape behind this just to save time. I'm just gonna put it right in the center. So there's that. I think double-sided tape. I put this here. It won't go in. I should put this first. Okay. I think I'll cut this piece up. Okay, so the students are allowed to cut out their leaf too, and I'm just gonna use this. Think of swing. See, use this small little leaf. And there you go. There's my little owl.